Took a drive into Dundas, Ontario the other day around Highway 8 and the area where there's a couple of really nice waterfalls. And as you can see, the view from the front of my Tacoma is really amazing. Using the Thinkware U1000 Dashcam, has such a wide angle, and the picture is crystal clear. This is in a small neighborhood that has a whole bunch of really nice lots. Some of the houses are quite large, others are just normal houses, but have really beautiful landscaping and are really well kept. The U1000 is a little more expensive than some of the other Thinkware models, but it's definitely worth the money. It has features like lane departure warning, speed camera warning. Also has a warning when you have a car in front of you at a stoplight and when it moves forward. Lots of great things like that. So now you can see since I have the U2000 is a dual channel, I'm filming the front and the back of my vehicle, which this is really great for safety and security. And if you ever were in an accident, you're able to provide the police with exactly what happened, whether you got hit from the front or the side or from behind. And it works really, really well. You need to have a fair size SD card. This one is a 512 gigabyte. And now we're coming into downtown Dundas. Dundas is a fairly small town with a lot of historic houses. The downtown core consists of a lot of really great shops that have been in business for a very long time. When I was a younger fella, there was a few hotels down in Dundas that we used to frequent, one of them being the Collins Hotel. And yeah, so sit back and enjoy the ride, and you can see what the U1000 can do. As you can see, we just passed a car there that looked like it wasn't going to stop at a stop sign. So to protect yourself, it's a good idea to have a dash cam in your vehicle. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the ride and the scenery. Please hit the subscribe button and the like button, and have a wonderful day. Thanks a lot.